What's going on, guys? It's Jenkins here. I appreciate you guys joining me again this week for another edition of my cryptocurrency tutorials. This is my second tutorial, and I really appreciate you guys that missed last week coming in to join me this week. This week I wanted to play the role of a myth buster and basically clear up the misconception that you can't spend your Bitcoin or other cryptocurrencies. Today, what I want to do is walk you through one of my favorite platforms that I use to be able to spend my Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. This platform is called Crypterium. Crypterium is a London-based company. It's also an app and a web platform that you can use to be able to switch in and out of different cryptocurrencies and spend your Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies straight from an app using a physical debit card that they have implemented throughout the world and given to loyal customers and loyal participants of their project. You can be able to get this Crypterium debit card through their beta program, but you can also use the app to physically buy their Crypterium debit card for $25. So what I'm going to show you is, one, what the interface looks like, two, how you can use some of the features and functions on the interface and the application, and then three, where you can go to be able to apply for this beta program so you can get this free debit card so you can be able to use your cryptocurrencies whenever you want to. Investing is a wonderful thing, but some of us invest and then hard times come up and we have to spend our investments. Most of the time, if you put your money in a brokerage platform, there's a limit to when you can take your money out and use it. But with cryptocurrencies, there aren't any limits. It's up to you to use your assets whenever you want to, whenever you need them. I would strongly advise, although I'm not a financial advisor, that never invest in an asset more than you can afford. So just put as much as you can afford to put into these platforms. Don't put all your savings in there, because if you need to use your money, you want to be able to spend it whenever you can. But Bitcoin gives you the freedom to be able to take all your money out of your bank account and put it into a digital savings account and spend that money whenever you want, and also know that it's going to give you a return on your investment. So with that being said, I'm going to log in, take you through the platform, show you the different features, and show you how to apply for the Crypterium beta program so you can be able to get their physical debit card. To be able to get to Crypterium, first, for those of you following this tutorial, just use the link below or above to get to the Crypterium app and register your name and put your information so you can be able to be a member of this wonderful platform. If you're new, just follow the link, register, and there's also a benefit for following the link. I get $5 for everyone that is able to register using my referral link, and you also can earn $5 for sharing your referral link after you register with your friends and family members. So we're helping each other. We're building a community around each other, and we're making sure we all succeed together. Once I follow the link, I'm going to register, and when I register my account, it'll bring me to this platform, and you can see everything that happens on this platform. They lay it out for you. So you have all these tabs up top that you can follow, right? You have the option over here that says order your new card. Right here is where you're going to go when we're ready to walk through the process of registering for your beta debit card, the beta program. This is the link that you're going to click. But for now, I just want to show you all the different features of the actual platform and the actual website, okay? Here you have what's called the top-up account. You can receive cryptocurrencies to your account externally. So if you click this link, you'll be able to add different cryptocurrencies to your account. You can add Bitcoin, you can add Crypterium itself, you can add Ethereum, you can add Litecoin, you can add USD coin, you can add Bitcoin Cash, and you can add Ripple. These are the cryptocurrencies that are currently available to be added and used on this platform. You also have the option to exchange between cryptocurrencies. If you were here last week and you saw my Atomic Wallet tutorial, you were able to see that on Atomic Wallet you can exchange cryptocurrencies in and out of one another. Same technology here. You can do the same thing on Crypterium, which is very convenient. Because this platform is mostly an app-based platform, you can have that convenience to do that strictly from your cell phone, which is awesome. So here, if I want to switch from Bitcoin to Ethereum, for example, I would click on Bitcoin, and then I will go down and click on Ethereum. And when I'm ready, I just put in the amount that I want to exchange and then hit the exchange button below. Now, because I don't have a lot of cryptocurrency, I can't really show you this example live, but you can test that out yourself once you add money into your account. But basically, you just click what you want to add, just click where you want to switch it into, and put the amount that you want to switch it into, and then hit exchange, and it happens immediately. That way, whenever you're not satisfied with one cryptocurrency over the other, you don't have to keep it in there. You can switch it in and out. You can't do this on brokerage platforms. That's why this crypto technology is so innovative. On brokerage platforms, when you go in and you buy a stock, you're stuck with that stock until further notice. So embrace the innovation when it comes to cryptocurrencies and use the features. The next feature here is you can send cryptocurrencies to anyone in the world, obviously using their cryptocurrency wallet address. Okay, so everyone that owns a cryptocurrency wallet that has money in their cryptocurrency has an address that you can send it to. So you basically click the cryptocurrency you want to send, and you click and then you paste the wallet address that the person that you're sending it to sends to you. If you're close enough to the person, you can scan their QR code, and that cryptocurrency will go right into their wallet. It's pretty simple, straightforward. Put in the wallet address, put in the amount you want to pay, and hit transfer, and it will go right to them. Another great feature about Crypterium that I love is for beginner cryptocurrency users, they don't really like seeing these long strands of cryptocurrency wallet addresses. It actually flusters them. So to make it easier and to make it more user-friendly, Crypterium has allowed for users to be able to send cryptocurrencies to friends and family members just by using their phone numbers. And the best part about it is they don't even have to have a cryptocurrency wallet or account. It goes right to their bank account, and they can use that money just like you can send a Cash App transaction using somebody's phone number. It's the same thing. If you ever send Venmo to somebody using their phone number, it's the same thing. Crypterium gives you that option to do that. I believe that Crypterium is one of the only platforms that's allowing this easeability for users to be able to do such functions right from their cell phones using cryptocurrency. And that's huge, because in order for mass adoption to happen, we have to have a way where beginners can be able to send, spend, and use their cryptocurrency without having to think about the crazy nuances that comes with the actual cryptocurrency technology. Now, the next tab here, after you hit the Crypto Services tab, the next tab here is Fiat Services. Is on the bottom left all the way down after all the cryptocurrencies that are listed. It says Fiat Currencies after Crypto Services. So what this does is if you want to buy crypto, you can buy cryptocurrency straight from this platform. Unfortunately, for some of us U.S. residents, it comes in euros. All you have to do is convert your USD to euros and put the number in here that's equivalent to USD amount in euros. So you can do that. And once you have your KYC verification done, all you have to do is put your banking information, your credit card information, your name, your address, just like you would when you're making a normal online purchase, and you'll purchase it straight from this application, and it happens immediately. Like, I've literally used this platform many times to buy cryptocurrency, and the speed at which it happens is mind-blowing. As soon as you do it, it's right in your wallet and you don't have to wait. As long as your bank is compliant with buying cryptocurrencies, because there are banks that won't let you buy cryptocurrencies online, but some banks allow you to buy cryptocurrencies. As long as your bank is compliant, your transaction happens immediately. You can also do it, you can also have this option where you pay out your cryptocurrencies to a mastercard that you own. So if you own a mastercard, you don't have to have a cryptocurrency debit card to be able to spend your crypto, which is amazing, because if I can afford $25 to pay for this, and if I don't want to wait in line for the beta test program, I can literally have my cryptocurrency sent to any mastercard that I have, and it'll top it up right away, and you can use your cryptocurrency just like you use your money each and every day. It's very innovative, very fast, happens immediately. There's an option for bank transfers that's coming soon. If you want to transfer your cryptocurrencies to your bank account, you can transfer that like you usually would with a wire transfer on Cash App and Venmo. I keep bringing these up because these are two apps that almost everyone in America has that they can relate to. On Cash App and Venmo, you have the option for immediate transfers, or you have the option for 2 to 3 day business transfers, bank transfers. And this is the same option that Crypterium gives you. So the payout to card is the immediate crypto transfer option that Crypterium gives you, just like you have an immediate payout option in Cash App and Venmo. And then the bank transfer is another option that they give you. The last option that it gives you here is beneficial to many people who have family overseas. If you have family overseas, Crypterium might be the perfect app for you because it gives you the option to be able to top up families and phone numbers that are overseas. You can top up their phone numbers straight from the app. For me, I have family in Liberia, West Africa, and normally what I do is I use apps like Electronium and Bitrefill to be able to use my cryptocurrency to top up their phone numbers and their cards right away. So once I pay that certain amount, $5 in Electronium, I send it to Orange. Orange is able to verify the transaction, and they literally immediately top up their credits and their data on their phones, and they can call me and we can have a normal conversation just like we were sitting in the same country. So that's very important to have. This feature isn't available yet on Crypterium, but it's coming soon, and a lot of people are going to appreciate it. So lastly, here on the last bottom tab, if you don't know how to verify your info, all you have to do is go to this bottom tab where it says your name, right? You click your name on the very bottom tab, and when you click your name, it'll bring you to this. Right here on the left-hand side, you see your levels. My level right now is silver due to the verification process that I've gone through. Based on the level, it allows a certain amount of monthly limits that you can have on your account, the amount that you can withdraw, deposit, spend. They give you that limit. Now, if you want to upgrade for how much more you can spend, if you want to be able to spend more, all you have to do is hit this green plus sign, and this green plus sign will bring you to a verification page where you can add more details about yourself. You can use your bank account, bank statement, credit card statement, utility bills to be able to add more verification, so you can add a higher limit to your account so you can spend more money, use more money, however you please. So it'll be here. Fill it out and move on with your day so you can get a higher limit. And also, when you verify your account, the higher the limit is, the more you get to use more features on the application. So not everybody will have every feature available to them based on the level of verification that they have. So once you verify to a certain extent, then they start opening up other features on the platform that you can use. Okay, so that's pretty much the gist of the whole app. You know, your wallets are on the left hand side. You can check to see what your balances are directly from here, and then the home page gives you an overview of everything that you have on the actual app. There are some features that are coming to Crypterium that I think a lot of you guys are going to enjoy. One of the features is a banking service feature, which is it allows you to have a savings account that gives you a 5% yield on your account. I'm not sure if it's going to be a yearly thing or if it's going to be a monthly yield, but 5% is pretty high, and your banks will never do that for you. I've had many bank accounts before, and the most that I've ever gotten from a bank is 1.1% on a yield on my savings, and that's ridiculous compared to 5%. So embrace this. Wait for these features to come, use them, and you're going to love them. There's also an investment tool feature. I think what this is going to do is teach you about investing, help you figure out which stocks and cryptocurrency portfolios to be able to put your money in. And I think this is going to be huge for a lot of people who want to get into investing but don't really know where to put their money and how to spend their money on investment platforms. So I look forward to this feature myself, and I hope you guys look forward to this feature too. In the market news section, if you want to apply for your Crypterium beta test debit card, it's free. If you sign up for the beta test and you get accepted, it's free. You don't have to pay the $25 on the application itself. So I would recommend that everyone sign up for the free beta test version, because as a free user, again, the card is free. Okay, so you click on in the market news tab, you scroll until you find order your new card. You click on that tab, and it will take you to what we see here, ready to spend. There's different options. Okay, so I'm going to keep scrolling right until I see where it says get my card. Okay, so I'm going to go to that tab, and once I get there, it'll give you information on what I think is one of the best crypto debit cards here. They didn't lie when they said the best crypto debit card is back. It's true, because they are really good and they do a really good job. So we're going to scroll through. There's information on this. You can read all about it on your own time. And so basically you scroll all the way down. And when you scroll all the way down, it'll give you an option to apply for the Crypterium beta test debit card. So all you have to do is click this apply now, and it takes you to a form. You fill out that form, you fill out your information. If you get accepted, they will ship the debit card straight to your address, and you can start using it. Honestly, I have a Crypterium debit card. It's not with me right now, but when they came out with the first Crypterium debit card, this is how I was able to get mine. So don't hesitate, fill out the form, get your card. And that's it. Once you fill out the form, you should be good to go. You'll have a debit card in the mail soon enough, and you'll be able to spend your debit card, your cryptocurrency, in no time. That's about it for today, for this Saturday. This is Crypterium. Follow my link, please. Use the link, register, pass it on to your friends, and make yourself $5 in cryptocurrency. Imagine if you had like 10 family members that you were able to refer this to. That's easy $50. But help me out, click my referral link. This is how I get paid for making these videos, and this is how I keep the content coming in. I can't support myself if nobody is able to help me out by clicking the link below. So please click the link. Don't be shy. If you enjoyed this video and you appreciate this video, share this video, leave a comment, leave any questions, and let me know what the next tutorial you'd like to see from me is, and I'll more than happily make a tutorial so you guys can be able to keep informed and stay tuned with the cryptocurrency world. Thank you again. My name is Jenkins Monzi, and I look forward to seeing you next Saturday. Happy Saturday, and love and peace to your family members. Stay home, stay protected, eat healthy, exercise, so you too can get away from this crazy coronavirus phenomena and keep your family sane. God bless you, and have a blessed day.